Dictation will starts in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, start. Swami Vivekananda, in a letter to Swami Ramkrishnanand, had said, "There is no chance for the welfare of the world unless the condition of women is improved, full stop. It is not possible for a bird to fly on one wing, full stop. This government believes that we can make progress with greater women's participation, full stop, in India's growth story, particularly in the rural economy, Grameen Earth Vyavastha. The role of women is a very sweet story, full stop. This government wishes to encourage and facilitate this role of women, full stop. Gender analysis of the budget aimed at examining the budgetary allocation through a gender lens has been in place for over a decade, full stop. I propose to form a board based committee with government and private stakeholders to evaluate and suggest action for moving forward, full stop. There is no segment of human life where the contribution of women is not significant, full stop. This government firmly believes that the socio-economic transformation that is taking place, particularly in the last decade, Indian women's role and leadership is distinct, full stop. The recent elections have shown record turnout of women voters at par with men, full stop. We also have a record 78 women MPs here, full stop. This reinforces our approach of going beyond just women centric policy making to building women led initiatives and movements, full stop. And this government has supported and encouraged women entrepreneurship through various schemes such as Mudra, Stand Up India, and the Self Help Group movement, full stop. In order to further encourage women enterprise, I propose to expand the Women SHG interest subvention program to all districts, full stop. Furthermore, for every verified woman SHG member having a Jan Dhan bank account, an overdraft of 5,000 shall be allowed, full stop. One woman in every SHG will also be made eligible for a loan up to 1 lakh under the Mudra scheme, full stop. India's soft power is appreciated in so many different ways, full stop. Some simple examples: in the last 3 years of International Yoga Day, yoga has been participated in large numbers in 192 countries around the world. Yoga has been practiced in large numbers, full stop. Mahatma Gandhi's favorite bhajan was sung by the respective led artists in 40 countries, full stop. The annual Bharat Ko Jano quiz competition is sought after as an event to participate by not only NRIs but also several foreigners, full stop. I propose to consider issuing Aadhaar card non-resident Indians also, so to facilitate them, full stop. I propose to launch a mission which will integrate our traditional artisans and their creative products with global markets, full stop. Wherever necessary, we shall obtain patents and geographical indicators for them, full stop. With this aim, for the first time in this august house, I declare that we will launch a mission of linking creative industry with the economy, and wherever it requires protecting intellectual property rights, taking it to the national and international market front, full stop, to give further impetus to India's growing influence and leadership in the international community. Government decided to open Indian embassies and high commissions abroad in countries where India does not have a resident diplomatic mission as yet, full stop. Accordingly, in March 2018, government approved opening of 18 new Indian diplomatic missions in Africa, full stop. 5 embassies have already been opened in several African countries, big and small, all over there, full stop. Government intends to open another 4 new embassies in the year 2019-20, full stop. This will not only increase the footprint of India's overseas presence but also enable us to provide better and more accessible public services, especially to the local Indian community in these countries, full stop. In line with our ancient wisdom, India has always pursued a policy of economic cooperation with countries through bilateral and regional coordination, full stop. Indian development assistance scheme provides concessional financing for projects and contributes to infrastructure development and capacity building in the recipient developing countries, full stop. Mindful of our position as the sixth largest economy, we will look at alternative development models, which includes private sector equity, multilateral financing, contribution from corporates, non-residents, etc. Full stop. I propose to revamp the ideas scheme during the current financial year, full stop. The government is developing 17 iconic tourism sites into world class tourist destinations and to serve as a model for other tourism sites, full stop. The iconic tourism sites would enhance visitor experience, which would lead to increase visits of both domestic and international tourists at these destinations, full stop. With the objective of preserving rich tribal cultural heritage, a digital repository is developed where documents, folk songs, photos, and videos regarding their evolution, place of origin, lifestyle, architecture, education level, traditional art, folk dances, and other growth details of the tribes in India are stored, full stop. The repository will further be enriched and strengthened, full stop. Financial gains from cleaning of the banking system are now amply visible, full stop. NPAs of commercial banks have reduced by over 1 lakh crore over the last year, record recovery of over 4 lakh crore due to IBC and other measures has been affected over the last 4 years. Provision coverage ratio is now at its highest in 7 years. Full stop.